Welcome back to our channel. If you would want to help support our channel, please share it with your hobby friends. Additionally, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so that you always receive the most up-to-date information from us. Toyota RAV4 Interior Colors 2023. Australia has revealed that the 2023 Toyota RAV4 will receive enhanced interior technology. The newly redesigned cabin of the 2023 Toyota RAV4 medium SUV made its world premiere overnight in Europe, providing a sneak peek at the modifications that are its route to the Australian market. The technology updates for Australia's best-selling SUV were initially announced by Toyota Australia 2 months ago. For more information, see below, and the photographs published by the brand's European division provide our first visual look at the new features for the vehicle. A larger 10.5-inch infotainment system that runs Toyota's newest infotainment system is the highlight of the updates. It features wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, cloud-based satellite navigation, and the ability to use the "Hey, Toyota" voice assistant capabilities. The larger screen is anticipated to come standard on the higher trim levels of the RAV4 in Australia, while the lower trims will continue to use an 8-inch unit that is powered by the updated infotainment software. For the model year 2023, a larger, fully digital instrument cluster measuring 12.3 inches will be introduced. However, its installation locally is likely to be limited to trim levels that feature the larger touchscreen. Instead, it seems expected that the 7-inch semi-digital display that is currently seen in the XSE, Cruiser, and Edge will make its way down to the entry-level GX and GXL models. In Europe, the RAV4 hybrid and plug-in hybrid range will be expanded to include a new exterior color called Platinum White Pearl. However, it is currently unknown whether this change will also be implemented in Australia at this moment. Specifications for the 2023 Toyota RAV4 have been made public on May 2. Price rises are likely. Updated technical data for the 2023 Toyota RAV4 have been discovered in a dealer advisory that was stolen. The previous week, Toyota Australia made the announcement that the well-liked mid-size SUV would be the first model in the company's lineup to come equipped with the new infotainment system and USB-C connections as standard equipment. Wheels was able to get their hands on a dealer paperwork that verified the new infotainment system will be displayed on a larger 10.5-inch touchscreen display for the Cruiser model, which will replace the 8-inch unit that is now in place. It is not clear at this time whether or not the larger screen will be included across the range, or whether or not lower grades would keep an 8-inch screen with the latest